We're thrilled to be here with NV Energy in Reno, Nevada, an area that's experiencing dynamic load growth primarily due to data centers.
NV Energy pursued this project because we understand the difficulties that we're facing right now in regards to the capacity issues with the transmission line throughout the NV Energy grid. We reached out to the DOE to start a grant program to actually explore the dynamic line rating sensor projects to help increase real-time data projects with the grid that we currently have.
We know that there's a lot of load growth happening throughout the country, and in Nevada specifically. Finding every little megawatt of capacity out of the transmission system is super important.
The average age of a transmission circuit in the U.S. is over 40 years. The NV Energy leadership is wisely pursuing an all-the-above approach and making investments in traditional infrastructure, but also pursuing dynamic line rating with LineVision. And our solution is a quick, affordable, and safe way to add up to 40% capacity to the 2 circuits we're working on here today, while we free up capital and other resources for other infrastructure improvements.
Historically, transmission lines have just had a single static rating, and that's what we used every day of the year. We've learned that using a dynamic line rating by taking temperature, wind speed, solar radiance into account, we can find a lot more capacity in the transmission system. These contactless sensors that LineVision has created and installed today will really help us get to that in the near future.
What we're looking to get out of this project with dynamic line rating is really just increased capacity and reliability for customers. We want to be able to push the renewable energies that we have within our state and get that to our customers without having a financial burden on them.
Taken all together, this project lays the foundation for increased grid resilience, increased transmission capacity, and clean paying jobs for Nevadans.